Hello and welcome. This is Manifold Research Center speaking, and I'm pleased to finally introduce you Antilope. It's a standalone drum dynamics machine composed by a dual resonating filter, distortion, and multi-effects, and a CV pattern recorder. But let's go more in depth. The filter is fully resonant and has common controls for resonance, cut off, and spread. And as independent controls, we have low pass to high pass crossfaders, audio inputs level control, able to deal with line levels on the back and Eurorack levels, volt per octave inputs with attenuators. The distortion has VCA level control, distortion amount, and a VCA based feedback path. The three-band equalizer has an emphasis into low and mid frequencies. But don't worry, also the high end will be there. This lets you shape the color of the signal and its feedback path. The feedback switch lets you choose between a distortion-only feedback, which we just heard, or an analog feedback path for the multi-effects, taking its output back into the distortion. The effects core is based on a spin FV1 and offers 7 different algorithms, composed by various delays, reverbs, and a dual ring mode. It has a dry wet pod with its own dedicated CV input, a dial for selecting the algorithms, and 3 effects controls with dedicated CV inputs. At the control core, we have 3 CV generators, switchable between envelope or stepped voltage. CV outs and their correspondent gate outs can be found here. Inner circle is CV and outer circle is gate. Let's patch gate and CV1 into the filter. Each CV is triggered through its keyboard switch and has 2 fader controls for its parameters. In envelope mode, they control attack times. When in step mode, the core will extrapolate a sequence defined by all the fader values. The switch, when centered, acts as a freeze mute. The core has an unquantized pattern recorder with a recording time of maximum 20 seconds. Its controls are record, play, and stop. Once you hit record, Antilope will wait for the first button press before starting its recording. Play will interrupt the recording and loop it. Also, each CV section has 3 independent controls: phase, shape, multiplier, divider. These settings can be accessed by holding the button and turning the encoder. Let's change, for example, envelope shape of CV number 2. And let's multiply CV number 3. These parameters can also be modulated through the dedicated CV input on the back. Last but not least section of the core is the XMOD magnetic matrix, which allows to introduce various types of cross modulations between the envelopes. Magnets can be used. Let's now dig a bit more into some sound examples.
As I mentioned before, Antelope can also process external audio, which means now I'm just sending my voice into the antelope. Did you get the message? I'm sending my voice into antelope.